So we've got a young apprentice with me today. It's just me and him, young Mike. Say hello, Mike.
All right.
How long you been on the trail for now, mate?
About a year.
About a year. I was very impressed with his work yesterday, so I invited him along to come and work with me for the day. Never know, mate, you might end up sticking with me, eh?
Yeah, maybe,
You're doing good at that, hopefully, eh? So, right, what we're doing, topping off a little wall here. It's really simple. We've just got 2 courses to go on the front, the back's to the height, and then we've got some engineering to go on top. We're going to get cracking on, just me and him. You like me showing off a bit of your technique and your skills? Yeah? See how he done very well yesterday. I was very impressed. He built a blue engineering corner 10 high with black muck, and he made a lovely job of it, so I invited him along today. I'm going to put the camera on my hard hat because I got me strap and that on it. I'm going to let him wear it and he's going to show you his technique. He's been doing it a year, so be gentle. And I'm going to be wearing the green trainee hat. I'm going to look pucker. You got me green hard hat. Don't start going faster now, mate. Take your time. Nice level, mate.
It is. It's really nice.
You got there. Huh?
It's really nice.
Yeah, lovely, isn't it? Good to you, ain't I?
Yeah, you are.
Spotted how you plant there.
Yeah.
Why do you do that?
That's just how we got taught.
Do you not find that awkward?
No.
Never ever seen that before. I've never seen that ever.
Really?
I've seen a lot of different techniques, so I've never seen that. Just try like that. Or a bird's arse would be better, wouldn't it?
Yeah.
Try that. Oh, the other way. So
Like that.
That way. Downwards.
Down.
Like that. And then. No, the other. That way, then that way. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Does that feel weird to you?
Yeah, a little bit.
Is it?
Yeah, very.
There's more than one way to skin a cat, boy. Run it in, yeah?
Yeah. Let's get the lines out.
Yeah, yeah. Send some colours out, mate. How can you expect to go on price, right?
Mine are back in the
when you
other
have
job.
no tools. I'll give you a level, I'll give you a tape, and now I'm giving you a fucking corner block. And you want to go on price, huh? Find these bricks. So you're going to be standing like this.
Yeah.
Right. Going through. Always work the edges of your board as well. Work around the edges, don't dig from the middle. That's an apprentice thing, straight away.
Yeah.
That's it. That's it. Quick little. Sometimes it needs to be just a couple of turnovers, sometimes it don't.
Yeah.
Yeah. That's it. Is done? Is it a skip there? No. No skip. Right, so me personally, right, I would just come back through this way, do that.
Yeah.
And then just. I don't like to be on frogged bricks because they sink too easy. So I would just walk back, yeah, all the way through.
Yeah.
That's it. Alright. I have a general rule of perping on the wall till about hip height, maybe even about there, because you can go sideways. But as soon as I have to stand straight on, because it's harder to see where your perps are from side on to front on, I just like to. People say there's no difference between perping it like that off the wall or on the wall, as long as you're not using the big side like that and pinning the line right up in the air. As long as you're just using the tip for there and then over the top, you're going to get it full. Yeah. If there's no one else on the line, do what you want, but see, that ain't quite enough there. But ideally you want to just be able to have just enough come off. Yeah, just a pretty perp on the wall, because it's just more efficient.
Yes.
Yeah.
One hard worker, another one. That is 71 and still working.
I know. I see him on site in the forklift.
Yeah.
Crazy motherfucker.
Crazy. And sometimes he's boring and the forklift will jump on the hose.
Yeah. Really?
Yeah.
Fucking hell.
I had him sitting here. That's why I said, Dave, you take it easy. Stay here to the silo, keep a nice area here. What? You think I'm old enough? No. He says, I'm looking after you. Says, no, he's going up.
It's another little habit. Just try and remember one scrape.
Yep.
Every other scrape is one more than you need to. So push it down to the line. That's it. Have your trowel here. So when you push it down, have your trowel here, look, ready. Yeah. Trowel over here, ready. Yeah.
Yeah.
Fucking sweating his tits off, look, huh? All that pressure. I bet it's like you never laid a brick again, wasn't it? Yeah. You're right over there. You're right. Yeah. Just remember to keep an eye on. You've got 3 face sides, haven't you? You've got the 2 sides and the top, so make sure you check all 3 sides. Yeah. Obviously, it is much dependent on if you can do it or not. But ideally, if the muck's made right, you should be able to put it nice and thick on there like that. Yeah.
Yeah.
And that will fill. Nice and full if you get it right. So look. Yeah. eye across the top, eye it this way, and then you can, if you've got a little boat level,
No.
then you can just check it, just to make sure you're good. Alright, lay a few like that, so just have a little go, go on. So, you want to go opposite side of your trowel. Usually you go that side, don't you?
Yeah.
Left, oh, so it's on that side, but you want to be on the other side, so it's like that, coming in, and then like that. That's it. So no, just push out and in. That's it, little flick, and then just flop it. You want to land it flat. Yeah, so it's like you're slapping it on. No. You got, yeah. Look, I'll show you again. Just imagine you got to trust that it won't fall off for starters. So you get a little flick, and then you just landing it on like that.
Yeah.
And then taking it away softly, but you don't push against it. You're just landing it on, letting it do its own pressure, and then just sliding it across. So, look. Yeah. Look. Right, you're not landing it on and then squeezing it and then doing that.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's literally just. Yeah. That's better. So you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're working in a circle. No, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So you're following it round. That's it. That's it. There you go. Nice one. Be on price work before you know it, Sam. A little bit tighter if you can. Just wiggle it up and down like that. Up and yeah, up. Like so. Right, take that off a bit. That's it. And then there you go. It's a bit better. All right. Yeah. Get the same down the other end. Just leave the end one off, obviously. I tell you what, you're very lucky with the position you're in, mate. There's not many firms that do what GSQ is doing. You know, everyone's talking about we need more bricklayers, but no one is, apart from I think, is it Lee Marley as well or something? Is it some other big firm that does apprentices? You know, apart from GSQ and Lee Marley, I don't know of any other firm that is actually doing their part to bring young talent through.
Just waiting for us to leave.
What's that?
She's waiting for us to leave and get us.
Yeah. Right, let's rate Mike's bit of brick on edge and his bit of brickwork. Be gentle on him, be gentle on him. I'll tell you what, it's not a bad attempt, I don't think. We did just change 2 bricks, but apart from that, I think he's done a good job. lost his bond a little bit, but then we brought it to attention and he brought it back so it fit on the end. Yeah, he done a nice job, mate. What is it, your fourth time? Fourth time doing brick on edge. Not bad job at all, mate.